And as expected, eBay issued the apology letters today for the email that they sent out to everyone the day before and yesterday, saying that you owed your fees even though you already paid them. So I will show you the email screenshot just real quick. I don't want to keep you guys on this video too long. But if you did get that email and your fees were already paid, you're good. I'll repeat it, you are good. If you didn't pay your fees, like you have a balance, pay them, or it'll auto debit at the end of the month as usual. The only thing I'm concerned about is this apology letter that you're gonna see in just a second does not address anybody who may have been double charged. For example, you've already paid your fees and they charged you again. I don't mean they just sent you the letter saying that you're being charged again. They actually debited it from your PayPal or your backup funding, typically your bank account. So if anybody had that, I'm only concerned if anybody had that double charge, physically had the money taken twice, and you can show me screenshots or proof. Feel free to black out any private information. I just need proof that it happened twice. Comment down below that it happened to you. Leave me your email, or you can email me using my email down in the description box. It's rockstarflipper@gmail.com. And I'd like to talk to you to see either how eBay resolved it or what I can advise other people who may have had that problem, what action to take. Other than the obvious, call eBay and tell them and they'll hopefully fix it. But I'm also interested in how long it takes them to put the money back, where they put the money back, because one person emailed me and said that eBay wanted to credit them for their fees for next month, and they absolutely went ballistic and blew up, and their fees were like $400 or $500. So it was a significant amount of money. I mean, that's not just a drop in the bucket for most people. So that's what I'm concerned about. Let me show you the apology letter. Thanks to Nancy for sending me all this. Appreciate it. I'll still black out your info, but I want to show you the apology letter. And then as usual, if anybody had anything they want to put in the comment section, please do down below. And thanks eBay for admitting the mistake, but please don't make any more of them.
Okay, so here's the official apology from eBay. Again, I've blacked out the name, but on August 20th, we sent you an email with the subject line, "Keep your account in good standing, payment needed," indicating your payment was due. That email was inadvertently sent to you. We're sorry for the time you may have spent reviewing and responding. We value your time and we apologize. Your account is in good standing and there's no action required by you. As always, to review your current payment status, go to My eBay and select Account. Select the All Account Activity link in the Account Summary section. Thanks for your understanding, eBay. Thanks so much for being so sympathetic, eBay. What about the people that were double charged or had a mental breakdown? As always, never freak out if you get these emails and messages. Just go and check your account. You know if you paid eBay. You know if you made your house payment every month. You know whether or not you owe someone money. So if you're freaking out, it means it's for no reason. And of course, eBay's going to take care of it. Always slow down, take a breath, and look into what it is they're saying, or just come and watch my channel, because by the end of the day, I'll have something up if it's a problem. So there you go, the official eBay apology. That's it, folks. Thanks so much for watching, and until eBay's next breakdown in communications, I'll see you guys then.